learners, you all are welcome back again in chapter number 31, Sounds of Animal. In this chapter, we are going to learn about the sounds of animal. All animals make different types of sound. Dear learners, animals make different types of sounds with the help of ready to help box. We have to write their sounds. Here, pictures are given to you. We have the picture of cock, duck, elephant, lion, tiger, pig, bird, frog, and we have to mention in the given blanks what they say. So, okay, start with one. So, cock say, what cock say? It say cluck. What cow say? It say moo. What crow say? Crow say cow. What bird say? Bird say chirp. What frog say? Frog say quack quack. Sorry dear learners, what frog say? It says croak croak. And what duck says? Duck says quack quack. What elephant says? Elephant says trumpet. Then we have lion, lion roars. Then we have the eighth one, pig. So pig says grunt, and then we have last one, donkey, that says neigh neigh. Okay dear learners, so today we have learned about different kinds of animal and their sound. Now let us read the awesome fact. Name any one animal who lives in both water and land. Which animal has a trunk? So you have to mention an animal which lives in water and land. So that is frog. It lives in water as well as in land. Which animal has a trunk? Elephant has a trunk. Now next, a horse can sleep even in a standing position. This point we have learned in our previous chapter of GK that horse can sleep while standing. Okay dear learners, so we have completed this chapter kids. I will be meeting you in your another GK class. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.